Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new Google account on your Android device. Alright guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the account and backup. Click on it and you're going to select manage account. And as you can scroll down until you find the add account option. Tap on the add account option, and since we want to set up a new Google account, we can tap on the Google option and wait for a moment. Okay, and here you can sign in with your Google account. If you want to create new account, you can simply tap on create account. But if you want to sign in with your Google account, you can input your email or phone right here. Then you can tap on next, and after you have clicked on next, you have to follow the instruction, and after that you will be able to set up your Google account on your Android device. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up a new Google account on Android device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.